Hi, my name is Paweł Spychalski, and when building and designing your own aeroplanes or boats or whatever from the Depron or Depron-like form boat, the skill number 3 on your list, right after gluing and cutting, or actually cutting and gluing this stuff, is how to make tape hinges. Because if you are building an aeroplane, you have to make a control surface, an aileron of some kind. I have a piece of foam board and I could cut it like this and pretend this is a hinge, but then it's not really working. So now I will show you how to really make honestly the ultimate tape hinges that are working with everything up to 2 kilos, maybe even more of all-up weight, and they are really simple to build and quite hard to destroy, and you can just repair everything with the tape hinges. So what we will need: 2 pieces of the foam board. This will be pretending it's the wing, this will be pretending it's an aileron. The cut is more or less straight, so it's fine. We're gonna need some tape, and we're gonna need a knife. This one or this one, it's not really matter. We have 2 elements. Now let's make a chamfer, because we want the thing to be able to move up and right. The chamfer does not really have to be perfect. You can make it at more or less 45 degrees. This should be visible right now. You see the 45 degrees chamfer on the edge of the wing. The cut is not the best because this is the old knife. This is the old knife. It's not very sharp. And make exactly the same 45 degrees chamfer on the other side. Like I said, it does not have to be perfect, but you might want to practice before doing a final cut of anything. Yeah, that's just fine. Okay, so right now we have 2 pieces of foam board, and they will be moving like this. Step number, I don't know which step it is. Place both pieces flat. Take a tape. The tape, to be honest, any single-sided self-adhesive tape will do. It can be even a duct tape or a regular packing tape or anything like that. I'm using the tape that's called the PE tape. It's used to repair the PA tapes, not the tapes, the foil, like covering plates made from plastic. I will try to find a link to something on the Amazon. This is PA tape, right? PA tape, it's relatively thick, it's adhesive, quite elastic. Place your both sides, the wing and the aileron, like 1 millimeter apart. There should be a small gap between them, and from the top just put the tape, something like this. Of course we don't need this, and we don't need this. This is half of the tape. This is half of the hinge. Sorry, this is half of the hinge. If you will try to fly with the aileron installed like that on your aeroplane, you will crash. Trust me, because this, if the forces, lateral forces are applied like this, this will just separate the tape from the foam board, and it will just get destroyed in flight. What you need right now is you need a second layer of tape on the other side of the board. On this one I already have the tape, on this one I don't have a tape. So let me prepare a piece of tape. I will just keep it over here. Let's bend it like this, so it's bended, and put this here. I have the tape. Don't move tape. We don't want you to move. And now, while bended outside, put it like this, so that the both pieces of the tape actually can come in contact with each other. See, great, they are in contact. Do it like this, do it like this. Some help might be required. What we did right now, I'm also doing, this is not the knife, this is just a metal thingy. You want to make sure that both pieces of the tape are in contact with each other. This is why we left this 1 millimeter spacing between the wing and the aileron. So for the tapes to get in contact with each other. And in a few minutes, we've made a really strong hinge that is working, and it's not destroyed even when the lateral forces are applied. Very, very strong stuff, because one layer of the tape is in contact with another layer of the tape, and this does not allow for the tape to be removed that easily from the edge of our wing. And this works like a charm. Trust me, this works like a charm. Simple to build, you don't have to get any plastic thingies. When done properly, extremely strong, especially with the nice thick PE tape that works wonders in the air. Yeah, this is how you should be making tape hinges. That's all for today. Until the next one. Bye.